Today we are going to work with an inverter. To know what's inverter in CircuitVerse. So let's design inverter, not gate. So we have this inverter in here. So let's start with so it's an inverter. Bigger, you can have input, and it is going to have one output. Let's call input A and output Y. Let's put output up. So label direction up. Here, label direction up. So when A is 0, Y is 1. When A is 1, Y is 0. The inverted version of input. So output is going to be the inverted version of input signal. So if you have logic high in here, you're going to have logic low in here. So this was for buffer. Let me just delete this. So actually you are learning some Excel skills also. So if A is 0, Y is going, let me just delete, oh sorry, this was for the buffer. So I'm going to move or copy, create a copy of buffer. Create a copy. Buffer 2, I'm going to move it here, rename to inverter or not gate. I'm deleting these. I'm going to delete these as well. So this is an inverter. If A is 1, if A is 0, Y is going to be 1, inverted version. Let me just focus. If A is 1, Y is going to be 0. The equation is going to be Y equals to A bar. Or not A, or the inverted version of A. Here we have this 1. If A is 1, Y is 0. If A is 0, Y is 1. But what if, so if A is 0, Y is 1. If A is 1, Y is 0. What if A is unknown? We don't know the value of A. It comes from somewhere, but we don't know exactly the voltage level. In that case, output is going to be unknown as well. What if the input is open circuit? So let's get back to CircuitVerse. If it's open circuit, if it's open circuit, now it shows X for this, but this is actually Z because it's an open circuit. Then your output is going to be X, which is unknown. Yep, that's all you need to know about the inverter. So we designed this sub-circuit and we can edit the layout. But truly speaking, for This one we don't need it because, let me cancel it, because we have the inverter in gates, so we don't want to create a new inverter. Okay, that's all for now for an inverter.